Hey guys, welcome. My name is BTC. You are watching degenpal. Just like I told you guys on the previous video, on this video we're gonna be treating how to trade the spot market on Binance. In case you're watching for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do wait to subscribe and also to turn the notification button. So far, we have been treating some courses on Binance, how you can, all the things you can do with Binance and what you can use Binance to do. Okay, so this should be the class number 8 so far. So let's get down to the business of the day. To trade the spot market on Binance, all you just have to do is either you log into your mobile app or you go to the web page. Right now, I'm using my web page from my laptop. So once you get to your web page, you go to the trade option, as you can see. When you hover over the trade option, you have your spots. You have other trading options too, but you select the spot. Where I click on this spot and you allow it to open. Here we are. You guys are seeing here is the chart of BTC. You guys notice that recently BTC has been dumping. Yeah, this is the 1 day chart. This is the 1 day chart. Simple means that every single candle right here represents a single day. So as of July, BTC went down to 24,000 before it came up to 31,000 and it went down. Currently trading at $29,100. So if you want to trade the spot market, all you just have to do is, as by the right hand side, what you guys are seeing here is people's order. It's being called order book. Okay, these are other books like people's order, the order that were placed by people. So whenever the price of BTC falls to this certain amount, the the market should buy them in. Okay, then while these are people's sell order here, this is a sell order right now, while underneath, which is this green one, is the buy order. As you guys can see right here, this is the buy order. Okay, so this person is willing to sell $13,000 worth of BTC at 29,166. This person is willing to, sorry, this person is willing to buy. Yeah, 75,000 and so on. These are people's order. People are willing to buy. So remember, for a transaction to happen, there must be an agreement between a seller and a buyer. Okay, so the seller and the buyer comes to this middle point and they reach an agreement before there could be a transaction. So for you to buy or for you to trade on the spot market, all you just have to do right now, you come here, you fill in the order you want, the quantity you want, this is the price. As you're using, you can either do it this thing, I forgot, with limit order, market order, and stop limit. Okay. So let's assume that we are doing this thing with a limit order. All you just have to do is come here and fill the price you want. Let's say we put in, let's say we put in 20,000, which we all know that is not feasible anytime soon. We input the amount of BTC we want. Let's say we put in 2 million BTC. Obviously, I don't have that amount of money in my account, in my wallet. So you come here, you select, you can also slide here. If you don't want to input the number, I just want to select by percentage of your portfolio. You just slide in. You select 50%, 50% of whatever you have in your portfolio will be shown in. Okay. So the next thing here is it will be displayed the total amount, and next is the fee, and next is buy. The same thing happens if you want to sell. You can also use the same method to sell. You can place a limit order that you want to sell BTC at 1,000 or $35,000. So whenever the market gets at $5,000, the market will automatically sell you. Okay, you fill in the amount and see something. You can also use this option to select the amount and you also click on sell. So if you're using a limit order, your order doesn't go through immediately. If you come to this place, as you can see, if you are buying, you come here. If you are selling, if you come here. Okay, then be waiting for the market to get to your order, there for you to fill in. Then the next thing right here is I can also use market order. This market order are being called aggressive buyers. Once you click on this market order, you see the price has actually be automatically being filled in, so it's not selectable anymore. You can't select the price. So if you are not buying at the market price, current market price, all you just have to do is input the quantity you want, the quantity of BTC you want to buy, whether it's 1 million worth of BTC or $2 million worth of BTC. Okay, then you click on buy. The same thing apply to sell. You click on sell. Then the same thing with this one too. On the stop limit, you can also use your stop limit to buy or to sell also. Okay, so This is just basically how you can buy and sell. Then the next thing here is the your you select your leverage, whether you want it to be isolated or you want it to be cost. Okay, you can select the leverage you want here. You can also select here. You have your cost and your isolated. You have your grid. So isolated simply means that even if the market goes below you, it cannot you cannot incur loss that will affect your remaining portfolio. Okay, this is basically using margin trade, not a spot trade. I didn't know why they brought it to play. Actually, it's basically using margin trade, not a spot trade. Okay, so this is just basically all how you can trade the spot market. Just basically all how you can trade the spot market. There's nothing much difficult in it, and it doesn't require much. It's not that much risky, just like the futures market. It's very risky. You just have to do it. I want to buy BTC at 20,000. You just come here, you fill up the order, and you submit it. Whenever BTC get 20,000, you buy. So you can also put in that you want to sell so at so amount, whatever goes to the amount to sell. It's as simple as that. Okay. The only disadvantage is that here it doesn't use leverage. So if you are buying BTC, you are buying with that quantity or not, you can increase the leverage and say you want to use 20s or 30s leverage to buy. Okay. So this is just basically all on sports trading and how you can do sport trading on Binance. Okay. So in our next video, we're gonna be treating how to do the PMP, P2P. Sorry, how to trade P2P markets. And our previous video was how to trade sports, how to trade futures. In case you have not seen the video, you can go back and watch it. Okay. So see you guys in the next video. I love you and enjoy yourself. In case you're watching for the first time, please do what to subscribe and also to turn on the notification button so that this video can get to those who really need it. I love you guys. Bye for now.